Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to delete downloads in your Android phone. So at first, if I download a file, now if you want to find your downloaded file, just open up your My Files and then tap on Downloads, and here it is. From here you can check or delete your downloaded files. If you want to delete your downloaded image, just touch and hold it and then tap on Delete, then tap on Move to Recycle Bin, and it's done. Now your downloaded image has been deleted successfully. Now if I download the image again and then tap on three dots, then tap on Downloads, and here it is. You can also find your downloads from here. If you want to delete your downloaded image, just touch and hold it, then tap on this delete icon, and you can see it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can delete downloads in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe